This I like. Gadgets that make life easier, more fun, and way more interesting. From a magic massage gun to a blender that means serious business, we've got the lowdown on must-haves for your home. Before we get into it, remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more gadget goodness, and you can find links in the description where you can get them. Let's get started. Tired of playing find the lump in your soups and smoothies? The Mueller Austria hand blender is here to smooth things over. This little wizard wields a powerful motor and sharp blades that blends those lumps and chunks. Smoothies, soups, sauces, you name it, Mueller blends it to perfection. It's not just a blender, it's your culinary Swiss Army knife. This multi-purpose marvel does it all. And cleanup, it's as easy as pie, which you can also make, by the way. Just pop the attachments in the dishwasher and voila. Say goodbye to hand cramps thanks to its ergonomic grip, and with smart speed technology, you're the maestro of your kitchen conducting the perfect blending symphony. Introducing the Helaman Universal Socket Tool Set, the perfect Christmas gift for the handyman in your life. Crafted from high hardness alloy chrome vanadium steel, this tool withstands over 500,000 operations. Its 54 chromoly steel pins adapt to any shape, making it ideal for home improvement, construction, and more. Whether it's for woodworking, auto repair, or household maintenance, this super universal socket saves time and reduces toolset chaos. Backed by a worry-free warranty, the Helaman Universal Socket Toolset is a must-have for this holiday season. Discover the tiny wonders of the world with the Micro Mini, the ultra-portable LED-lighted pocket microscope. This easy-to-use microscope offers 20 times magnification power, making it perfect for students, hobbyists, and professionals on the go. Whether in vibrant orange, blue, and green, its compact design fits right in your pocket, and with a handy keychain attachment, you'll never miss a moment of exploration. The Micro Mini isn't just a microscope, it features a built-in UV and LED flashlight for added functionality. Whether you're in the field or at home, ideal for educational purposes, this field microscope sparks curiosity in kids and adults alike. Its smooth focusing knob ensures crystal clear observation. Lightweight, versatile, and powered by included batteries, the Micro Mini is your gateway to the microscopic world. Ever dropped a screw in a tight spot and thought, well, that's gone forever? Not anymore. Meet the telescopic magnetic pickup tool set. Perfect for the handy woman or handyman in your life, or anyone who's ever said, I can totally fix that. This isn't just any tool set, it's like a magic wand from metal. With an extended magnet flashlight and an inspection mirror, it's like giving superpowers to your toolkit. And it comes in a snazzy Oxford fabric tool bag because even your tools deserve to travel in style. Looking for a cool gadget gift? Birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, you name it. So say goodbye to the black hole behind your workbench, grab the telescopic magnetic pickup tool set, and pick up, well, pretty much anything metal. Feeling sore, stressed, or just want to beat that back pain to the punch? Say hello to your new best friend, the Affirma handheld massager. This isn't your ordinary massage tool, it's like having a tiny, tireless masseuse in your hand, minus the small talk. With 30 speed levels and 9 massage heads, it's got more options than your favorite streaming service. Whether you're a gym hero or just someone who bent over weirdly that one time, this massager's got you covered. And talk about user-friendly, the ergonomic handle means you can reach those pesky spots without turning into a pretzel. Plus, the interface is so easy, anyone can figure it out. On the go? No problem. This portable powerhouse brings the relaxation to you, gym, office, or even on a trip, and with a battery that lasts longer than most work meetings, you're in for uninterrupted bliss. So ready to give those muscles the TLC they deserve? Grab the Affirma massager and turn every day into a spa day right from your living room. That's a wrap for our video today. Thanks for tuning into This I Like, and remember, you I like too. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep having fun.